How to transfer TON from Bitget to TonKeeper Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget exchange. Then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Spot option and select the Withdraw option. Over here, you need to use the search bar in the top and type TON. Once you are able to find the TON coin, you need to simply tap on it. Once done, you will be able to see the pop-up in the bottom. So you need to tap on the on-chain withdrawal and then you will be landed on the on-chain withdrawal page. Now, since we want to transfer TON, you need to make sure that TON is selected, which we have selected successfully. Now, in the withdrawal network, it will automatically select TON. So since you are working with TonKeeper Wallet, you need to make sure that the TON network is selected over here. If there is any other, if you see any other network over here, then you just have to make sure that you select TON network. After that, it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address details, you need to launch your TonKeeper Wallet. Then on the home page, tap on the receive option. This is basically your QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to tap on the copy button, then come back to your Bitget exchange. In the withdrawal address, paste the address in this section. It will ask you to provide the address memo, but you have already seen that in the TonKeeper Wallet, it didn't give us any of the address tag, so you just have to simply skip this step. Then in the withdrawal amount, enter the amount of TON that you want to withdraw, but you need to make sure that the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.8. Then you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and you need to just review the information that you have mentioned previously. If everything looks correct, confirm your transaction. Then once your transaction is completed, you will be able to transfer your TON from your Bitget exchange to the TonKeeper Wallet successfully. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.